Yes, you are audible and visible.
Okay,
Okay, how are you?
fine.
Okay. How is life treating you?
Wha- What about you?
I'm doing great. Everything is going great.
O-
Can't complain.
Okay, okay,
So,
okay.
okay.
Let me please introduce yourself.
Yeah, definitely. My name is Radha and I'm hail from Uttar Pradesh and I completed my graduation and I'm going to pursue MA in economics. And beside that, right now I'm focusing on my English communication and polishing my communication vocabulary and enhancing my communication so strong. This is all about me.
That's nice.
So please introduce you.
Obviously, my name is Pradeep Kumar.
Okay.
My qualification is biotechnology.
Okay.
I am from Andhra Pradesh. Now I am staying at Visakhapatnam.
Okay.
I am working as a IT-enabled processor in healthcare industry.
Okay.
Recently, 2 weeks back, I was launched a YouTube channel. It's named Kumar Talks. But at present, I do not update anything on the channel. It will take some time, but I want to update my channel some solo contents related to contemporary issues, because of once upon a time I was an aspirant in a competitive exams. I have some little knowledge about on that.
This is great.
This is only small pretty of introduction about myself.
This is
Thank you for
great.
giving opportunity. Okay, Radha.
Okay, I'm also quite new to YouTube and my journey just began. So I'm also very new. So
Okay,
so
okay.
when you started your YouTube channel, why you don't uploaded anything? You are very good communicator.
That's thank you. Okay, but since my childhood, my education was completely done in only English medium only,
Okay.
but I cannot able to speak in English fluently because lack of listening and speaking practice.
Okay.
I cannot able to speak with English in good communication and accuracy fluency.
So when you start
That's why I have been realized 2 months back why I should be a good communicator. That on the time I want to be a good communicator. What is the good path to develop myself, enhance my communication skills? On the time luckily I found a YouTubers. Those are in advanced and intermediate speakers YouTube channels. I have that on the time I was passionate to learning English simultaneously. Then I have been listening and prepare some notebook to collect the vocabulary, synonym meanings from Google. That only.
so this is your method to improving your communication.
Yeah, absolutely.
I'm also follow method like shadowing, and right now I'm listening podcasts so many. So right now
Uh,
I'm also following these methods. So when you
okay.
connected YouTubers, when you start connected YouTubers,
2 weeks only. When I launched the YouTube channel, before I had two conversations. After
okay,
that, I have. I think so. This is 10th or 11th.
10th
It
and
would
11th,
not.
likewise, same.
Okay.
We on our same page.
Okay.
So okay, without any further delay, let we discuss a topic: village life
Okay.
and city life. So, what is your point of
Okay.
view on village life and city life?
Yeah, rather villages has a large chunk of population in our country. Almost not only your state Uttar Pradesh, our state Andhra Pradesh,
Okay.
village, villages, but a lack of hygienic conditions in villages, irrigation facilities inadequate, and power supplies and not and the good roadways are not suitable to survive to traveling. These are the some conditions are miserable in a village life.
Okay.
But nature and relationship between the human beings and without any discriminations,
Yeah.
one to one is a good life in villages. I think so compared to urban development. But
De-
recently, urban development is abundant in all over world because the world is in a global. connectivity. I think so. That's why we have to connect from you Uttar Pradesh, from I am in Andhra Pradesh.
Yeah, definitely network, social media. This is all about social media.
This urban, that is only urban development,
Yeah.
technological development, science and technological development.
Definitely.
So every human being want technological development. In villages also now internet connectivity is rapidly increased.
Yeah.
Last 10 years.
Now
So
village also developed
village,
day by day.
yes, day by day, village has also looking like a urban development cities.
Definitely.
I think so. That is only main aspect.
Yeah.
What's your point of view?
My point of view, I live village life also, but I'm living in city now. But when I duration my holidays, I went to the village and live. So yeah, village life very close to the nature, and there's a very calm and peaceful environment. People are live together. They are not a nuclear family. They live strong community bonds, and in the tradition they follow now also. But in city, people are not follow tradition, and they forget the tradition because there are so many festival we perform in our earlier. But now people are in city life. People are not follow as much as they follow in earlier. So yeah, village life is full of peace, calm environment. In morning, there's everywhere in greenery. People are very strong bond. They live in very big family, and the environment is also good. Pollution is less also. But besides that, the opportunity, we can talk about education opportunity. They are a lack comparison to city life. In city life, we can go anywhere, and from transport facility, education facility is very good, very hype. But in village, there is a lack of opportunity. There's a lack of internet facilities. There's a lack of transport facility. And yes, village life, talking about environment is very peaceful. If someone want peaceful environment, they prefer village life. But if someone wants modern and fast paced life, they prefer city life, because city life is full of modern pace and technology. So yeah, this is my point of view.
That's absolutely. But when we completed our degree, most of our opportunities are in cities only.
Yeah.
That's why villagers are moved or migrated to urban cities, metropolitan cities.
Yeah, most of the people of rural area transfer from the urban also.
We have skills like communication and computers, etc. Then we have get any apprentice job in any field in urban cities.
Yeah.
It does not happen in villages. That's why most of them migrated to from village to urban cities. I think so.
Or in village, in city life, the technology is upgraded day by day also. There is a more facility in city life also. That's why people are transferring from village to city. But yes, if somebody wants to career in agriculture, they prefer village life. Village is good for agriculture.
In cities also, farming is rapidly increased in our cities also.
But if we talk about more
with a drip irrigation in a small within a small place of in a small interval of time, within a little amount of place, they take to start a farming. This is also one employment in our cities also. But villages are mostly dependent on agricultural occupation only in our India.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
But yes, we can also say that now village people also get opportunity. They are able to connect from anywhere, because nowadays village are developed day by day. If we compare to the city life, but not that level, but yeah, developed day by day. And yes, technology is more in city life, we can say that. But yeah, pollution, in city life, people are stressed day by day. They are very they are alone in their thousand of people, because they are the burden of work in city life. They are so stressed, they are upset. Most of the people are depressed because of their work of stress, because city life is not easy as we think. This is a city life is, because the technology day by day increasing, so people are stressed and depressed also, because the competition level is increasing day by day.
Yeah, absolutely. In our state, our near to hometown around us, 100 kilometers, one village is there. On that village, there is no technological development.
Okay.
They are all depends only water from the natural water. They all are dependent on natural. No power, no fridges, no washing machines, no mobiles. Only they dependent on agriculture, those cultivation food, natural food without non-vegetarian, only vegetable plants, flower plants with groundnuts, something like sprouts, some vegetables,
Okay.
without stress and without tensions. They enjoyed a lot that life.
They
But
enjoy
most
their
of them
life.
are educated. Most of them are educated only, but they want to selected that life.
Hi, definitely they enjoy their life by simple living.
Not only in our country, I think so. In USA, Pennsylvania is a one state. Some of them are Some of them are some group of them are survival in this situation in this way only.
Yeah,
I
definitely.
think so. Last 5-6 years back, I have read in one magazine, our native language magazine.
Hmm.
I have read some article on that about Pennsylvania state in USA also.
Okay. So I want to.
They survive in village life only.
Okay.
They far away from development, technological development.
Great, great. So I want to ask one question: which exam you are preparing nowadays?
As of now, I do not prepare for any exam, but I am now pursuing a law degree.
Law degree.
Once of
Okay.
Yeah, second year. Now I am study first year I had completed. Now I am second year. Once upon a time, long years back, I was one of aspirant to competitive exams in our state, not UPSC, our state exams.
Okay, okay, okay. So now you are quite the competition exam.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay. So great.
But
great.
some later time I have prepared some. What I have some books I revision some topics. I want to sharpen my brain to.
Reading books, it enhance our vocabulary also. I'm also reading sometime friction book also. Friction book, not a non-friction book, but I love friction book, some stories and all, because it enhance my creativity and enhance my reading habit, because I don't like reading books as much, but yeah, I'm just focusing on that also. Okay.
I think so. Your bachelor degree, now you masters in economics.
No, I'm going to pursue, yeah, I'm in economics. Because,
In
yeah,
your bachelor degree economics only.
no, I'm completed my graduation in Bachelor of Commerce. Bachelor of Commerce.
Okay, commerce.
So right now I'm going to pursue MA in economics, masters in
Economics.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
So,
That's nice. Okay.
yeah. So are you following any routine on a daily basis? Yeah, for your communication. Yeah.
Yeah, I do not have any in surrounding environment have a. I want to do not have any with strange communication. That's why now I am focused on social media, especially from YouTubers, to communicate with these conversations. I want to develop my communication skills.
Okay, okay.
Whatever, whoever may be consistent with work hard, someday eventually we become as a good fluent speaker. I think so. I am also.
Yeah, definitely. I'm not taking many sessions on regular basis. I take only through in 2 and 1 sessions, because first I polish myself, then I take a sessions, because first if I'm not able to explain to anyone, so how can I convey my message? So first I polish myself, then I take sessions. I only take
Yeah.
2 sessions, and I edit them and before uploading. And yeah,
Yeah,
go ahead.
tell me. Tell me.
From YouTubers, I take 11th or 12th session, and now onwards 7 p.m. I have one more session with the YouTubers. So I'm on a regular basis. I'm taking sessions with YouTubers, and I take a subscription also from English Yari also. Nowadays I'm
Yeah.
take sessions on English Yari. They guide me a lot, and they tell me where I'm lacking, where I have to improve. So I'm enjoying my journey these days because
Yeah.
I'm
English
yeah.
English Harry is also a good platform to enhance our communication.
Yeah.
I think so. Most of them YouTubers are
From English Yari.
from English area only. I think so. They utilize English area. They want to develop.
Yeah.
I think so.
Definitely, they are guide very easily way. They not demotivated you. They guide you where I am lacking. Even a fluency, even a pronunciation, even a communications. Sometimes I don't have a word where what I have to speak, and sometimes I'm fumbled. But they said me, just work on your English, not fluency, not grammar. Speak English as more as you can. That's it. So yeah,
How many videos are you uploaded until today?
I'm not uploaded yet because I have to edit them before uploading. Editing is a daunting task for me. I don't like editing. So yeah, I just edit after a certain period of time, and I think I started uploading from next week. I just editing them.
Okay.
Yeah. So right now I'm enjoying my journey also. So this is a new journey. Okay. So have you any question?
Please, your hometown name?
I'm from Uttar Pradesh. City is Agra.
Oh, Agra. That's a nice place.
Yeah, this is known for historical place. Taj Mahal, Red Fort, Sikri.
Yeah.
Have you ever visited Taj Mahal?
No. My sister had visited Taj Mahal.
Okay.
I do not visit. I think so. Future, I want to visit some places like Taj Mahal also.
What's your hobby? I want to know. What's your hobbies?
Reading books.
Okay.
Watching cricket. Okay. Listen melodious music songs from our native language. And I like solo traveling and people of gathering traveling also. Group of traveling also.
Okay.
I want to visit some places in our India, especially Delhi, Agra, Amritsar in Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Cool Manali, West Bengal.
Great.
Some abundant list is there on my
wish
plate.
List. Okay. So, have you any question do you want to ask? Because I want wrap up the sessions in 55 because I have one more session in 7 p.m. So please ask any question if you have.
Okay. Are you visited any time Southern India?
No, not yet.
Okay. You want to visit?
In my wish list, I have to travel Himachal, Uttarakhand, and then after South India. Okay. Okay, how is my English? Finally, it's good, nicer. Your English? How is my? I'm just give a review. I'm just not a fake review. Just real review. Your English is very good. You are not like I'm not saying you are a beginner. You are intermediate. I'm not saying you're advanced, but yes, you are. Your English is very good. You are. Yeah. Go with the flow. Like you're not pressuring yourself. You're not thinking yourself, what I have to speak. You're going with the good flow. Yeah. And you. In some videos. Yeah. Tell me. Yeah, go ahead. Tell me. Yeah, in some videos I have listened from